Hi, today I'll be giving you a tour of Unison projects. They're a new way to organize, package, and collaborate on Unison code. We'll start here on the codebase hosting platform Unison Share. This is the project homepage for the HTTP routes library. Projects get special treatment in the Unison Share UI. You can see the latest branches here, check out the past releases, and browse the source code of the library. We'll walk through the process of creating a new project next. In the UCM, we'll use the project.create command. It'll create a random name for us if we don't supply an argument. Our current working branch is main, but let's create a new branch for our work. In our Scratch file here, we have a term called README, a term called release notes, and a simple test term to add. README and release notes are both special. They're more visible to consumers of the library in the Unison Share UI. We'll run the add command to save these terms in the codebase. And finally, let's merge our branch back to main. We'll switch back to the main branch to publish our project. And all we need to publish to Unison Share is the push command. Back in the Unison Share UI, we'll make sure that the project is visible for folks to see. We can do that in the Settings tab. Let's also create a release for this project. We'll go to the Releases tab and cut a new release, picking the appropriate version. You can see our release notes have been appended here. Let's say a user needed to depend upon this project. They would copy this command given by the install button and paste it into the UCM. So that's it for our project's walkthrough. We're excited to see what you end up creating. Give it a try.